Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video today to watch. How are you all? I hope you're all doing okay. So we've got bonus cash stuffing of July, and yeah, I'm excited to get some of my sinking funds a little bit of a boost. So go ahead and grab yourself your favourite drink, your snacks, put your feet up and relax. You know what you need to go ahead and do, and let's cash stuff this bonus cash. So here I've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. So the majority of this did come from Social Tip. I'm filming this about 2 to 3 weeks after they made their changes. And yeah, I mean, I will carry on doing Social Tip, but mainly for the kids. Basically kind of sweet money, if I'm being honest with you. Their payouts have gone right down. Their restrictions they've put in is like pretty crazy, which I don't mind. You know what, actually, let me rephrase that. I don't mind the restrictions. I get the restrictions. I knew they were coming, 100%. Like, there's no way. They're a brand new company and that, and they were trying to obviously get set up and everything. So I have given Social Tip a break for a few weeks, and yeah, I'm really just going to be doing it for the kids, kind of like sweet money, lunch money, things like that. I just kind of feel like it doesn't generate enough money for me to make a worthy impact on my binders and everything. That's me personally. Everyone's different. That was a massive ramble that you didn't really need to know. But anyway, just explaining myself. Right, we're going into this binder today, and a lot of this money is going into this binder. Right, so clothing is getting a cheeky £5 today. So that's 20, 40, 55 in there now. School is getting 40, and I still haven't sorted out where this £10 is going, so I'm just going to add the 40 in, and that makes 50 in there now. So we've got 20, 40, 50, because I bought Harriet's uniform and Star's uniform, and it's completely depleted. So yeah, I'm just going to put that in there, and I will try and sort that out. Okay, health, well, wellness, but up first is health. Health has got 30, and I'm adding in 20 today, so that's got 50 now, which is good, because we have got dentist. When we got dentist? At some point in the 6 weeks. Can't remember. And then beauty has got 25, and I'm adding in a 20, so that makes that 45. Lovely. Brilliant. Really happy about that. Okay, big chunk going into eating out. So I've got 25 and in the bank, and then a 10 in cash. That's 35. But I'm adding another 25 today. So that's 20, 40, 40, 50, 60. Wow. Wow, I can't, I'm all fingers and thumbs. Stop being fingers and thumbs, Kirsty. £60 in eating out. Pleased about that. And then household is getting a nice little chunk today of 35. Brilliant. So that's let me start that again. That's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Brilliant. £60 in there. Happy about that. Right, okay, nothing going into car, and sinking buffer isn't getting anything, and then the buffer and the emergency fund. I have got now 1,050 in the family buffer, which I've just been digitally putting money in there each week. And then I've also got 1,050 in my emergency fund, which we are getting very close to, that I'm gonna mostly have to use these emergency funds and buffers, which I really don't want to do, but life is life and we've got to carry on, so that's why they're there. Right, up next we're going to go into this binder, and I'm going to go to general gifts, and we've got £10 in there, and I'm adding in 30. So I've got 20, 30, £40 in general gifts. So this is like for school friends, but also like, you know, if I need to like buy like a birthday card or whatever. Right, that's that. And then we should have 10, 15, 20, 25. Right. This last 25, I'm gonna put into the summer half term. The reason is because I saved 375, and I'm being really, really honest with you. It's kind of been bugging me that it's not £400. So I know. So I'm going to put this 25 in there and make that 400 just before the summer holidays. So £400. Hopefully that will be okay. But have got, you know, sinking buffers to pull from, and of course the emergency, the family buffer, if I need to. But yeah, I'm really going to try my best at making that £400 last for the 6 weeks. Will I do it? We shall see. We shall see. So there we go. That is the bonus cash all stuffed. Really pleased I was able to give my sinking funds a nice little boost. Adding in a little bit into the general gifts, because yeah, I don't generally add into that enough. I really don't. But I'm pleased that has been given a little bit of love today. And then rounding up the summer holiday fund to £400. That has made me a lot happier, I'm not going to lie. So there you go. That is it all done. I'm going to leave it there for today. So thank you ever so much for watching. If you got through to the end of the video, please leave this emoji down in the comments below. Really appreciate all the love and support on my channel. I'm going to let you get on with your day. So thank you. Hope you're having a great day and a great week as always. And I shall see you all soon. Bye-bye.